This is not self-defense. This is full retreat. I better step back and start running because I'm not stepping back in a meaningful way to mount any offense. So I have to be able to step back but still deliver power going forward. That doesn't happen from my heels. Once that guy gets too close, back off, right? I'm gonna frame on. So today we're gonna frame, and then we're gonna fold, and we're gonna go what? Outside hammer, inside hammer, number 5. You guys ready for this? It's hard to block, isn't it? It's much harder to block, right? And so my job on offense is to be hitting. I don't want to be on defense. I can't win from defense. Defense is just slowing down the process of him kicking my ass. I bring this back, he's going to block it right away. So I'm just going to start striking right from here right away. 1, 2, 3, boom, right? Side step out over here. Now look at the stance. Boom. I just step right through here, right? Wham!